Why are you crying? Because that's a turkey. And you don't want to eat animals anymore. So, what do you have to tell Mommy you want to be?
I don't know.
Say, a vegetarian.
What's vegetarian do?
They don't eat any animals.
I don't
They just eat vegetables.
But I don't like when people eat apples. I just don't want them to be chopped up.
You don't want them to be chopped up. But they taste very good.
But I don't want to kill a horsey.
You don't eat horses. You only eat turkeys
Why?
and chicken and pigs and cows.
The pigs are nice. And chickens are nice. And cows are nice.
So we shouldn't eat them, should we not?
No, why are you chopping them all up?
Farmers.
Why?
It's their job. That's how they make a living. That's how they make money.
Well, I don't like when farmers chop people up.
Don't chop people up.
I don't like when they chop apple people up.
Animals.
Apples are very nice.
So you're not going to eat animals anymore, are you?
And I don't want to keep them chopping. If I keep chopping them up, there'll be no more apples.
They'll all be gone, will they? Okay, we'll ask Mummy would she have to be a vegetarian, will we? Okay, it's alright.